Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. It is time to do the bead unboxing for Bargain Bead Box for January of 2024, and I'm very excited. I'm wondering what they're gonna pack in this baby with the starting of the new year. So let's see. It's called a Galaxy of Gems collection. Oh. Okay. And it says, Bargain Bead Box, a galaxy of gems. Inspired by the Milky Way, this month's high-value collection includes an array of beautiful gemstone beads, each inspired by a different planet. Oh, create your own solar system jewelry or combine the rich beauty of natural gemstones any way you desire. A high-quality set of golden findings and celestial themes completes the collection. Okay. Very interesting. Make sure I have good lighting here. It is just getting ready to storm. Oh, we're about to get that storm coming through. And I just got it and I said, I want to do my unboxing before the storm comes through. So, oh, these look pretty. Oh, really cool. Oh, I'm excited. Look at all these goodies. Oh, I'm really impressed this month. Oh, we're going to be having fun with this box. Ooh, we are going to be having fun with this box. Okay, let me get it all set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting with 10 millimeters of striped agate dyed and heated round beads. This is Jupiter. I'm not going in the order of the planets. It's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. For some reason, I always remember those. But these are Jupiter. Oh, look at how pretty these are. Okay, Bargain Bead Box, you outdid yourself this month already just from this. Look at the striations in those and the spots. Oh, I don't really know much about the solar system and all that, but I do remember all of those. Okay. Next is, I'm going to say Uranus. Everybody says Uranus. That's just so funny. I can't say that. Okay, 8 millimeter aqua quartz dyed round beads. Uranus, I'm going to call it. Okay. These are gorgeous. 7 inches of 8 millimeter beads. Look at these. So pretty. Oh, gosh, are we going to have fun this month with these beads? It's going to be, yes. Okay, and next is Saturn. 8 millimeters, tiger skin jasper, round beads, Saturn. Sorry. Okay. Oh, these are pretty. Look at those. These are really, really pretty. Wow. Look at the striations in those. You see those? Look at those, how pretty that is. So pretty. Okay. And next is 8mm top quality crackle glass beads, amber. And this is Venus. Very pretty. I love crackle beads. They're so cool looking. They kind of remind me of marbles. Back when we were kids, we played marbles. I don't know how many of you back there did that, but we had the cat's eyes and all that. Really pretty. And this is 6 millimeters of larvikite, labradorite round beads. This is Mercury. So the first of the solar system. Oh, these are pretty. They're kind of like they look like they're coming off having a little bit of blue, but they really don't, that I'm looking at, but it looks like under the camera that they look like they're like a teal bluish green, but they're not. They're more of a gray. I think it's just the way the light's hitting it. These are really okay. And next, 8mm blue goldstone lab created round beads. This is outer space, 15 inches. I like goldstone. Okay, let me see if I can get it close. And if you see that sparkle in there, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. I don't know if you can. Look at those. That. So pretty. See that one right there. Just turning it a little bit like that. Oh. They outdid themselves this time. And next is 8mm sodalite round beads. This is Neptune, 7 inches. It's a pretty blue. You can hear the storm coming in the back. Ready to listen to Riders on the Storm by the Doors. And next is, this is Mars, 8mm carnelian dyed heated round beads, Mars. How pretty these are. Carnelian is always such a pretty color. And next is 8mm lapis and chrysocolla dyed round beads. This is Earth. I love these. Different hues of green, there's like a olive green, a teal green, then the deep blue. And them so pretty. And this is 30 by 27mm, 18 karat gold plated stainless steel galaxy swirl pendant. Oh, cool. Oh. This is really cool. Very sturdy, very thick. And next, I don't need to take these out. These are 4mm spacer beads, lead-free, cadmium-free. Fun. And this is 2-piece brass magnetic clasp with stainless steel celestial charms. So let's check this out. Oh, okay. Okay, so these are, so you'd use the jump rings, and then these would be little charms. Very cool. These would be great. I like using these magnetic clasps for bracelets because they're so easy to put on. And then you have the star and the moon. And there's 2 of them. For a fun little thing for the put in the box. Now this is approximately 4mm lava stone plated semi-round beads asteroid belt. Okay. Oh, these have a really cool texture to them. Riders on the stone. Okay, and next is approximately 30mm sodalite triangle pendant. Ooh. Me likey. Ooh, how pretty. And I'm sure each one of us, that the pendant's a little different for each one of us, I'm sure. Like some of you will have different striations in yours. And that's the back side, it's flat there. It's pretty. And next, 13 by 17.5, 24 karat gold plated brass sun links, 4 pieces. Oh, these are fun. These are nice because they're sturdy, but they're lightweight. These would make perfect for dangle earrings. Yeah, those would be fun to make connectors. And then these are 10mm 24 karat gold plated brass bead frames, Saturn's rings, 5 pieces. Check these out. Oh, I got 6. Look at me. Okay, and there's a hole. Let's see if I have a... Yes. Hold on one second. Let me... Yeah, so see, that's how it goes. So it's cool, so you can put a bead inside of there. Oh, I'm glad I got 6 instead of 5, because I could use those for earrings. And next is 3mm labradorite faceted round beads, the moon and Pluto, 15 inches. Ooh, this is nice. Look at that. It's a long strand there. I love all the different textures. So some of them have the little black speckles. Very impressed this month. And then 4mm crystal faceted bicon beads, metallic blue iris. They always do bicon beads. And I don't mind it. I like bicon beads. I think they're fun. You know, you don't have to use a ton of them, but you can just use a, you know, if you're not into them, you could just use a couple of them in a necklace for just a little pop of sparkle. Or look at that deep blue color. That's so pretty. We are going to have fun with these. And then, oh, fun. 24 karat gold plated brass Starling charms, a 12-piece mix. Oh, these could be really fun. Look at those. Yeah, they're pretty sturdy. Oh, those are nice. So one side is more dull than the other. So it does have a side. They're pretty. And last but not least, we have 3.5 by 2.5mm stainless steel curled oval chain, 1 meter. So it's got the little, I like this. This is a pretty chain. Let me separate it so you can see a little better. Yeah, this is nice. You can do a lot with these. Boy, I'm gonna have a blast with this box. I don't think I have to add any colors to this. Might do, let's see. I might do a little bit of, where's my, I can't find it. I have some, like, I might do a little bit of seed beads. Just the tiny little 11-0 ones, just for a little pop of something, but it'll probably match these. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I eagerly awaited this. I'm so excited it's here. So let me know down in the comments what you think of it and if you get this box or not. And I will be putting up a couple tutorials very soon with these. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so, and like and share my channel. It really helps with my algorithms and everything. And I will leave links below to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Pinterest, and my Facebook account if you want to follow me on there. And I'll also leave a link to Bargain Bead Box below, so if you'd like to check this out. I've been really happy with the boxes I get from them. Sometimes it's not my favorite color, but then what I'll do is I'll take those beads and I'll blend them with another color, and I'll be able to make jewelry. So, you know, because they can't make everybody happy. So, you know, a couple times a year, you know, there's something I'm like, it's not my favorite, but then I'll blend it with something, and then it turns out so pretty. I love it. So, yeah, so stay tuned. We will definitely be creating with this box. This is so much fun. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you on my next video, and you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.